Hello, everybody. This is Michael. In this video, we will talk about the setup compile environment for ESP32. Okay, so this is lesson 3. When we get a chip and want to try the firmware for the chip and try to coding it, the first thing is to set up the compile environment. But how to do it? And for the ESP32, the company make everything into the datasheet. Let's take a look at the datasheet. And you will find the resource for the compile environment. Okay, so we go to the 40 page. Okay, so here there is a learning resources, and there is two ways to access information about the compile environment. The first one is here, so this will be program guideline. You click here, and we will get the website like this. So get started, and so it will be here, and set up the tool chain. Okay, this is Windows, so it will begin from here. And so this is the first way you can get the latest information about how to set up the compile environment for ESP32. And the website will keep updating. You will get the latest information. And another way, you will go here. So this is GitHub. So the source code is all the source code will be saved here. And usually the GitHub will put some information about how to compile it. So you also can access the information from this link. Let's click it. Okay, so this is the GitHub, and we click here. So this is IDF. What is the IDF? It is LOT development framework. Okay, it's a framework from the SSP32 company. You click here, and you go down here. So this is also the setup guide for the information, for the detail instruction. You click here, and it will lead you to the same link, same places, to tell you how to set up the tool chain, set up the compile environment. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is to download this tool chain. Okay, you just save it, save the link as, then it save to your computer any folders. Okay, so I already download it. It is here. So this is a zip file, and please notice notice the two things. Okay, so first thing is Win32. Okay, so means the environment is specially set up for Win32, but doesn't matter. You can run it under the Win64-bit. It's fine. Okay, so the second thing you will notice that this digital numbers is the date for the compile tools. And so maybe when you watch the video, the tool chain already update. So this digital number will be different. This is 2008 and January 10. Okay, so it's a different one. It maybe in the future will be different. Okay, So you can use some unzip tools, unzip the files. So I use the 7-zip, unzip it. So it will show the folder like this. So this is the folder in the zip files. And you unzip it, you will get the folder like this. Okay, so this is the folder from the zip files. You click it, so it will all the files inside here. So you click these files, double click it, it will run the environment. Actually, it's a simulation for Linux. Okay, so it's kind of like running the Linux on your Windows. Okay, so here we already run. Okay, so we already run the software. We can take a look here. The next step. So open terminal windows by running this. And the one skill, one interesting thing, you can run multiple terminals at the same time. For example, you can run it again. So they will have another one. It's exactly like the Linux terminal. Okay, and so you can run different command in the different terminal. Let's say we run here, and we run this command here. So it's like you have two windows. It's exactly like the terminal in the Linux. Okay, so you can run different project at the same time, or you can run compile one project here and look some information here. Okay, this is one skills. Let's take a look the other things what need to do. Okay, so you can create folder under you current folders, and so we already checked our current folder is this side, but you can change to any folder in your Windows. Okay, let's say we change to D folders, and the D folder has our D folder has a test folder. Okay, D folder has a test folder. Okay, so you can take a look what's inside the D folders. So in my test folder, there is two folder here and one file here. So you can create any folders under these folders. So I already create this. I can create another one, for example, and okay. This is actually the Linux command. Okay, we can create like a ESP31. Okay, so make a list. So we create this, and we okay, the folder we needed to create like this instead of this. Okay, instead of this we need to create like this. This is the Linux command. Okay, so make a list. So the folder is already here. Okay, so you can remove it like this, and the ESP like this. So make a list. Okay, so we already have one folder here, and we create another one and remove this one, and you can set it in any folders on your Linux, on your Windows, on your host folders. We can create it again and see whether it's show here. Okay, make dir p ESP01. See, it is create here, or you can directly create it into this folder. Into this folder, use the Windows command. Okay, so this is create a folders, and we go inside the folders. We can, why we need to create the folders? We need to save our software. Okay, so this is the path. This is path for your software folders. Save the software code. Okay, so this is the environment. Compile environment already be set up. So the whole compile environment is here. So create the whole environment is here. So you no need to edit or install any software here. And so next step, we will to get the framework project code. Okay, so in Windows, we get the source code by using Git. Okay, we use Git to get it. Okay, we just copy and paste. You must under these folders. Okay, so clone it. So it will download in these folders, and in this instruction, so is these folders. But I like to keep any whatever folder I like, so I keep it like a D drivers test folder under this, and create the ESP folders. So it will download from the internet by Git. Okay, so after you just copy the command from the website from here, so it will be fine. Okay, and after you download it, you can use the Git sub module update to update. But the first thing you need to go inside the folder to update it. Okay, let's update. Let's wait a moment. It will be downloaded very quickly. The file is not very big. Okay. 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 So I will stop a moment to let it download. Okay, so it's finally finished download, and you just you copy this. Oh, the first things you let's take a look. The folders is already here. So the first thing we need to go inside the folder and go inside the folder. Okay. And then we copy this command to update the source code. Okay, to update the source code. After this, we only have one step to set up the path to the source code. Will be finish the compile environment. So you will see this is very simple. Okay. So we go for the last step is here. So we will to set up the path for the source code ESP32 framework. Okay, so we choose the this is Windows. So Windows is here. So we go to the folders. So this is our compile. This is our compile tools is here. So we different folders. You can put any folders what you like. Okay, whatever you like. And we go to this folder, and create and go inside this folder profile and create one file named this. Okay, so named like this. Okay, then we inside this file I already input some information. Okay, so here it is. In this file, you just need to type like this. And this will be your source code folders. Okay, so this is your source code folders, which is here. And let's take a look here. So this is your source code folders. And this is your source code folders. And please notice this symbol is different. Okay, this symbol is different. This is the Linux style folder. So this is the Windows one. We need to convert to Linux one. So the compile tool will be able to know where your source code. This is your source code. Where your source code in where you put the source code. Okay, so after here, once you create file and input things like this, and you can check the environment. You can check this environment to whether it's the same one which you're setting. Okay, so let's take a look here. Print. Okay, so this is exactly the folder which I put the source code, and that's it. The environment has been set up. Okay, for the ESP32. From these videos, you will see the steps is very simple. You only need to do 3 things. The first thing, to download the compile tools from the website. Okay, you can follow the datasheet from here or here to download it from the website. And the second thing is to download the source code. The third thing, the last thing, is setting the path for the source code. Okay, so it will be good to compile the ESP32. Okay, so this is for this video, and next video we will to take a look at the hello world for the ESP32 software projects, how to coding it, how to compile it, how to download it. Okay, so I'm Michael. I hope you like it. Subscribe us, and see you next time.